Hello, my name is Janet Blanco Ortega. Conditional. What if? If you study English hard, you will learn to speak English very well. If you only had 24 hours to lie, I will home my family and tell you how much I love it then. I failed my English test. If I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. If I do not know the meaning of a word in English, I should look it up in the dictionary. If you could be an animal, you would the butterfly. If you had no story, this is correct. I would have studied the green in Spanish because I always like the way my teacher told my aunt I like to read. If it rains tomorrow, I will wear a good coat and hat. What happened is your smartphone fell into the toilet. It will hurt me. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do and where? I would like to be a memory of my students to know what they think of me. Baby cry if they are sick. It rained really hard yesterday, and you could not do what you planned to do. If it had not rained, I would have gone to the 11th grade for a while. If you have love of fast food, you can sit. Thank you. Bye.